Hello guys and welcome back to the Minecraft Military Force, and today I'm here with MartatjeNL, and he is the designer behind our newest ship. This is the USS Freedom, and it's a Freedom class littoral combat ship used for near-shore operations, operated by the US Navy, and this is the first ship in the class. We have a nice camouflage livery. Originally it was just painted gray, but they added a camo to it, and here is what it looks like from the back. We have a nice sea ram, I believe, and down below they actually don't have propellers. I don't know what they use exactly. Helicopter bay, and here is what looks like on the top. Very nicely detailed, and also here on the side there is a little boat there. I wonder how you get there because I don't see any door though. But yeah, here's what it looks like in the front. Funny thing enough, this ship is actually retiring in a couple days. They actually delayed it, and the first 4 ships of the class are going to get retired because they're test ships, so there are still going to be new ones and active ones, just not the USS Freedom. Here's the look at the other ship. This is just in your plain gray livery, sort of like what they're doing with the newer Freedom class ships, and that's what I'm going to be showing you today. But anyways, let's get started on the tutorial. Alright, so first off, we're going to be building this outline of the ship. This pretty much goes all the way across the midsection of this. And let's get started by grabbing some materials. I'm going to take out andesite wall, stone block, gray concrete, stone slab, iron trap, actually iron bar I mean, and also this black concrete and red terracotta. And also, let's take out brick stairs. So first off, where are we going to be building this? Let's go down below here. So I guess let's build it where the water line is, where the black line is. And you might have this above the water, I think. That's how you do it. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are black concrete below. So this is like where we have the water line. I assume you're going to be building in the water. And we're going to make it 2 blocks long like this. And for this tutorial, I'm actually going to show you how to build all the hull, like the red part. Sometimes I don't really like building that, but since it's such a small ship, I'll do it anyways. So we're going to make this go diagonally down 2 blocks wide, red terracotta. And I'm going to do the same thing, so it's going to be, I guess, 3 more times. So do first time here, second, and then third. And at the third one, we're going to add in another 2 blocks tall like that. So it looks like this. And I'm going to make this bottom section so it's going to be 143 blocks long. So I'm going to extend it using World Edit because, of course, if I just built it by hand, I might make a mistake easily. It's a lot more convenient for me. So it goes across all the way across like that. Then we'll go right over here, skip 2 blocks, add in red terracotta. And I'm going to make it so it's going to be 3 blocks tall. Like that. And I'm going to add in another one on diagonal towards the back. And this section here, that is going to be 7 blocks long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Like that. And then we'll add in 3 black concretes on top of here. And then there is going to be black concrete, another 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. Alright, then we're going to add in 7 blocks tall of andesite blocks here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then add a stone block at the very top of this. Now let's go back into the front and make the bow there. So we're going to add in 2 stone blocks like that. And we're going to add 7 layers of this. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we'll go diagonally up and add in another stone block like that. And let's add in an andesite wall. And I'm going to make it so it's going to be 5 blocks tall. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then after that, that's going to be an iron bar with 2 stone slabs in the middle. Then we're going to add in gray concrete. That's going to be 43 blocks long. So we're going to extend that all the way across, 43 blocks. Then go right here, skip a block, add in brick stairs like that. And then we're going to add in a stone stairs facing the front. and then a stone block behind it, and I'm going to add 8 layers tall. So this is 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is going to be the last one, like that. And then we'll add in gray concrete. I'm going to make it so it's going to be 6 blocks long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'm going to go diagonally up, add in stone stairs, then stone block. And we want to make this layer, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 layers tall. So 1, first layer, 2, 3, and then 4. Then we'll add in gray concrete. This time it's going to be 12 blocks long. So right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Then add in stone stairs right over there. Alright, so next up, let's go to the back section, work on that a little bit. And we're going to add in a smooth quartz block. And this is going to be approximately 40 blocks long. So let's add that right there. And let's extend that out. So it's 40 blocks, and then gray concrete on top. Then we'll add yellow concrete, a smooth stone block, and then 2 blocks tall, a cobblestone wall, and then smooth stone block, 3 blocks tall here, cobblestone wall, andesite wall, and we will need a stone, 2 blocks tall here behind the walls, another one behind this wall here at the bottom. And we will also add in white banners. So it's going to be a whole column over here, and then another 3 down there. Then we will add in gray concrete. That is going to be 8 blocks long. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Like that. Go here, and we'll add in an iron bar. And then andesite wall, then 2 stone blocks and andesite wall again. And then we'll go up to this point. That's going to be a stripped spruce wood. Make that vertical, and that's going to be 4 blocks tall. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll add in stone block and then gray concrete. And this gray concrete, it's going to be approximately 20 blocks long. So let's extend that out. And then we'll add in 3, or actually 4 blocks tall of stone. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then gray concrete. And this part, it's going to be approximately 15 blocks long. So let's extend that out. Like so. And then we'll add in stone block here, and then stone stairs, and then we want to connect these 2 parts together. So I'm just going to extend that down. You don't really need to count this area. And if it connects, congratulations, you did it right. Then we'll add in iron bars right over here, 2 blocks like that. Another 2 iron bars over here. So we're going to go to this gray concrete and count 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Above it, we'll add in stone block. And we'll add in upside down stone stairs in the front and the back of this. Then make a 2x2 of stone on top. And add in an andesite wall that's going to be in the back. Stone block on top of that. Then a black carpet over here. And then 2 nether brick stairs top of each other. And then we'll add in stone slabs. It's going to be 5 blocks long here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Punch in a hole down here. And add in some more stone layers here. And then 2 stone slabs at the top. Did I say layers? I mean slabs. And then we'll add in a brick stairs inside the deck like that. Alright, then let's go back over here. And we'll add in this end rod. So skip a block here, add end rod, and then smooth quartz block. And then we want to have iron trapdoor on top. And since we can't use iron trapdoors on the sides, we'll just use birch trapdoors on the sides of this. Like that. All the way across. And then let's go up to this layer, skip a block here, add in 2 blocks tall, smooth quartz, and actually never mind. We want to skip 2 blocks here, add 2 blocks tall, smooth quartz slab, and then another smooth quartz slab on top, and then diorite walls 2 blocks tall in the front and the back of that, like so. Then we're going to go over here, and we're actually going to change this stairs here into a stone block, and then we'll add in 2 stone slabs, and then 2 blocks tall of andesite wall, like that. Then I'm going to take out this, it's called deep slate tile bricks, or is it even bricks? It's just tiles, okay? And the stairs for that. So we're going to add a stairs right here on top of the gray concrete. And we're going to add in, I would say, 5 blocks long of these deep slate tiles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. In the back here, we'll add in another one on top, make it 4 blocks long, and add in stairs in the front, and another stairs on top of this. Then we'll add in 2 more tiles here, and then we'll need these tile walls. So there's going to be 2 of them inside these nooks. And then we'll add in birch fence gates alongside and on top. So we're making a ladder system, so just open them up accordingly so that they all look like they're connected, even though they're not, they're like floating. And then we'll add deep slate tiles right over here on top, 4 blocks long, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Add in a slab over here, and then 2 slabs in the front, and then a stone block on top. And then we're gonna add stone stairs facing the front, then stone block, and then stone stairs facing the back. And on top of that, it's going to be an iron trapdoor, and then a deep slate tile in front. And on top of this section is going to be stone block with a stone brick stairs, 2 of them stacked on top of each other like this. And then we're going to add deep slate tile wall, 6 blocks tall, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, like that. Then we'll add dark oak fence, 2 blocks tall, and then a smooth stone block, and dark oak fence gate on top, and then 2 blocks tall dark oak fence, and then dark oak fence gate on top, and then a stone pressure plate. I don't know if this is okay, it actually just places there. Is that normal to place it on a fence gate? So it looks like this so far. Alright, then we're going to go over here and skip 2 blocks, add in stone slab, and then skip 2 blocks, add in a lever, and skip a block, another lever facing each other, an andesite wall, and then smooth quartz block on top. Let's go further into the back, and we're going to go over here, and I'm going to add 3 of these hovering stone brick slabs like this. Stone brick block on top in the middle, stone on either side, and then the top is going to be 4 blocks long stone slab, then stone block here. And since we can't use iron trapdoor, we're going to use birch trapdoor on the sides. Close that up on both ends like so. Then let's go to the very back part, and there's going to be this iron bar right there. And then to the bottom of this is going to be a black stone button right in front of that andesite. Then we're going to go down here and add in this 2 blocks long brick slabs and another 2 blocks long down over here like so. Alright, so next let's go in the front, and we're going to line up where this red concrete terracotta is like 2 blocks tall. Just go all the way up, go to the middle here, and I'm going to add in a skeleton skull facing the back. Skip a block, add in light gray glass pane, stone block, light gray glass pane, add another one to the side of it like so. Then skip a block, it's going to be a grindstone wheel right like that. Alright, so next up we'll take stone, go to the side of this, add one here, and then we're going to add 2 blocks long diagonally down, stone, and this stone is going to go all the way diagonally down, pretty much to that waterline level here, and then add these 2 black concretes, and then we'll add in red terracotta, so 2 here, they go diagonally down, another 2, and then this part here is special since it's going to be 3. Like so. Then go down and add another 3 here. Then add another one below it. I think on this level, so it goes underneath like this. Then add red terracotta right there, and then you know what, we'll just leave it like this for now. It really just extends all the way across like that. Alright, so next we'll take red terracotta, and we're going to make this segment 4 blocks long. We're going to go diagonally, add in 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go diagonally 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and go diagonally like that. Then we're going to go to the very back. So at the back, we're going to add red terracotta to the side here, go diagonally, add in 2, then diagonally add in 1, and then we'll add in brick slabs so that they form a 90-degree angle corner like that. Then we'll add in this deep slate tile wall, and this is going to be 4 blocks across like that. And then we're going to extend this red terracotta so it goes all the way across to the other side, just lines up. So that is just going to be a world that, oops, the wrong color, like that. And then we're going to fill in the inside of it with red terracotta as well. So, let's see. Alright, so it should be looking like this. It's going to be the bottom. Alright, so now let's work on the second layer of this. So it's going to be 3, 3, and then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then another 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. That, and then another one goes diagonally. Alright, and then let's go to the back, and then we'll add in this polished, actually it's just called deep slate tile slab, so it's going to be going alongside of this, so go diagonally down and then add 4 blocks long like that. Then add in red terracotta. This goes all the way up to the edge here, and then we're going to add in red terracotta all along to the edge of this brick slab, and then we're going to make this edge 3 blocks long here, then go diagonally over here, make it extend like that. And then we're going to make it so it connects with that point here. Just fill this in. I don't know if what I'm saying actually makes any sense, but just do it like that. And I believe this lines up all the way across to the other side. So let's see if that is correct. Yeah, it pretty much does. So it goes all the way across like that. And then we're going to have to fill in this layer inside here with red terracotta. Just all the way across. We're just going to fill in all of this across. Red terracotta on the inside. So it's left like this. Alright, then we're going to go to the back and we'll add in this deep slate tile. And we're going to add it so it's going to be 3 blocks long here, these slabs. Then 2 blocks long of these deep slate blocks, tile blocks, I don't know. And then we're going to add in upside down deep slate tile stairs on each side of it like that. And then we'll take out black concrete, skip a block away from the edge, add in 4, go to the other one and do the same thing, just add in 3. Like so, and then to the side of this, we can add in that deep slate tile. Is this even called tile wall? I'm really new to calling these blocks, by the way. So then we'll add deep slate tile, 2 blocks long either side of this, and also on top. Then add in stairs in these corners, both sides, and then deep slate tile walls on the side of this, 3 blocks long, and then tile slabs on top like that. I think I'll just call these tiles from now on. Alright, so for layer number 3, let's go back into the front. And we're going to add red terracotta again. So third one, it's going to be 2, 2, and then it's going to be 4, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 9, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then another one on a diagonal like that. And then let's go to the very back, and then we'll add in a red terracotta. Top of this is going to be like 3 blocks like that, and I think it wraps around sort of like the border of this. And then we'll add in red terracotta next to this wall here, and then go diagonally out, so it looks like this now. Then we're going to extend this red terracotta all the way across so it meets up with the front end, just like that. Alright, so for layer number 4, it's going to start off as 1, then 2, then 4, and then 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then I'm going to add in 1 like that. Alright, and then let's go to the very back, and we're going to pretty much copy this outline of red terracotta all along the side, and this time we're going to go make this corner squared like that. I'm going to extend this red terracotta on that very edge, and this is going to go all line up all the way to the very front like that. Alright, so for layer number 5 we're up to now. Let's take out red terracotta again. I'm going to go 1, then it's going to be 2, then it's going to be 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then another 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it's going to be 8, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then it's going to be 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it's going to be 8 again, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then it's going to be 7, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'm going to add in 1 like that. Alright, and now let's go to the very back again, and this time we'll add in a red terracotta, so it covers up this hole right above it. So just fill all this in, this rectangle, and I think it goes, yeah, it goes all the way to like 3 blocks out like here, so it's going to line up with this slab right there. And then we'll add in these brick slabs. These brick slabs are going to extend all the way out, so they go all the way to the corner there. So let's see, yeah, they should line up with this corner here, and then red terracotta, and make that join that side like this, and just fill in this area in here, red terracotta like so, and then we're going to extend this red terracotta on the edge, and that's going to go line up all the way up to this front area, so that it should look like that. Alright, so now we're up to layer number 6, the water line. So take out black concrete, I'm going to add 1 here, and 2, and that's going to be 4, then it's going to be another 4, then it's going to be 7, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Then it's going to be 5, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it's going to be 7, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then it's going to be another 7, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then it's going to be 8, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then it's going to be 10, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. Then we're going to go diagonally out, 1 like that. Next, let's go all the way to the very back. And we're going to add in black concrete, so it goes all the way to the edge of this brick slab here. Goes across like that. And we're going to fill in all this black concrete, so in between, like this open area where the brick slab is. So it should be all filled in like so. And we can actually delete this black concrete. They're going to add black concrete on the edge. And this is going to go all the way across to meet up with the front area. So that it should look like that. Alright, so now we're up to layer number 7. So we'll take stone and we'll go here, 1, and then it's going to be 2. And then we're going to add 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Add another 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then add 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'm going to add 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to add 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we're going to add in 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then I'm going to add in 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to add in 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm going to add 1 sticking out here. Like that. Then we're going to go all the way to the very back. Then at the back, we're going to add 4 andesite blocks here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then polished andesite block. And then stone blocks. Make it 3 blocks long here. And then we'll add 3 blocks long stone blocks here. And then upside down stone stairs, 3 blocks wide. And then upside down, an upper stone slab like that, 3 blocks wide like that. And then we're going to extend this stone on this edge here. That's going to go line up all the way across to the front hole. So that it should look like that. Alright, so now we are on layer number 8. So we'll take out stone again. It's going to start off at 1, and then 2, and then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then another 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're going to go diagonally out 1 like that. Alright, so then we're going to go to the very back part. And then we're going to add in andesite block just on top of the other andesite blocks. Polish andesite block here. And then stone blocks around the border. Cross like that. Just around the edge like so. And you know this andesite block over here, we're going to actually make it 7 blocks tall. So let's go here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 like that. And then we're going to add in andesite blocks, just fill in the rest of this rectangle with it. So it's going to be all andesite like so. Then we'll add in blackstone buttons, 2 here next to this button. Another button to this polished andesite block, and skip it every other block till reach the bottom like so. Then we'll add next to it 2 blocks wide stone, and it's going to be as tall as the rest like this. I'm going to add stone all the way across, very top of it like so. Alright, then we're going to go to the side here, and we're going to extend the stone. So it should go all the way across to the very front. Like that. Alright, so now we're going to be on layer number 9. So let's go here, take out stone. It's going to be 1, then 2, then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then I'm going to add 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I'm going to add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to add in 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, and then I'm going to add in 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'm going to add 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to add 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we're going to go on a diagonal, add in 1 like that. Then let's go to the very back. That, and we're going to add in stone, so this is going to stick out a block away from the edge here, so outwards like that, and wrap around the border like this. And actually, you know what, we're going to make it stick out on this side as well, so it's like 4 blocks wide, and that's going to extend all the way across to the very front, so that it should be like that. Alright, so layer number 10, so that's going to be stone again. It would be 1, and then 2, and then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we'll add 3. 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to add 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6. Then another 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And then 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we're going to go outwards 1 like that. Alright, and then let's go all the way to the very back. And for this part, I think we just follow off the same border line like this, and we're going to extend this outer edge all the way across to meet up with this front part that sticks out, so that it should look like that. Alright, so for layer number 11, we're going to start off with 1, then 2, then 3, and then another 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3, 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, then 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and then we're going to stick out by 1 like that. Alright, and then we're going to go all the way to the very back. And for this part here, we're just going to be pretty much following the same outline all the way across with the stone, and extend the stone on the outer edge all the way back up to the very front, just like that. Alright, so now on layer number 12, we're going to add in 1, and it's going to be 2. I'm going to add in another 2, and then I'm going to add 3. 1, 2, 3, another 3, 1, 2, 3, another 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to add 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to add 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I'm going to add 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to add in 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to add in 8, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then I'm going to add another 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 like that. And I'm going to add another one sticking out like this. Alright, then we're going to go all the way to the very back again. And then we're just going to follow this border here, but this time we're going to stick out by 1 here on the edge here. as well as the side edge here. And we're going to extend all this all the way across to meet up with the front area. Alright, so for layer number 13, it's going to start off at 1, and then another 1. I'm going to add 2. Then I'm going to add in 3. And then we're going to add in 2. And then I'm going to add in 3. And then I'm going to add in 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to add in 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And I'm going to add 1 sticking out, like so. And then we're going to go all the way to the very back. And we're just going to be pretty much following what we had before, just add in that stone layer all the way across. And we're going to line up the sides with stone all the way like that. Alright, so for layer number 14, the final layer of the hull, start off with stone again, so it's going to be 1, and then 1, then 2. And then it's going to be another 2. And then another 2. And then it's going to be 3. Another 3. And then another 3. And then it's going to be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1 sticking out like so. Alright, and then let's go all the way to the very back. And I think we're pretty much gonna like make a line across this part here and fill in this side here. Make a rectangle of stone like that. And this outer edge, it's gonna go all the way across to meet up with that front part that sticks out. Like so. Alright, then we're gonna go to the back. And I'm going to take out gray concrete. And I'm going to add in 5 blocks here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then add in smooth quartz block. And I'm going to add in 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I'm going to make this edge part 31 blocks long. So let's extend that out all the way across. And then we're going to make a line across all the way to meet up back to the midline. Like this, and this is going to be where the helicopter deck is. And then next step, we're to go right to where this gray concrete is, and we're to extend that all the way across to the very edge of the hull. And then we're going to fill in all this area inside that was like previously air into gray concrete. So fill all that in like so, and then we'll go to the front. Go right to this gray concrete and extend that all the way across to the front. And then we'll fill in this entire layer over here with gray concrete as well. So it should be filled in like so. Alright, so next we're to go to the stone slab. Go diagonally down. Go right here, add in 2 blocks wide of smooth stone blocks like that. Then we go line up where this what do you even call it, grindstone is. Go on the outer edge, 2 blocks wide. Smooth stone blocks like that. And then we're to go in the middle of right where this gun is. Actually, you know what? Like the block after the brick slab, and then we'll add 2 blocks wide. Smooth stone blocks like that. And then we'll add an andesite wall on top of all these smooth stone blocks that we placed earlier. Like so. Alright, then we'll go right over here to the edge where this gray terracotta is, gray concrete. Add in iron bars, and this iron bar is gonna go pretty much all along the edge of the ship. You know, it's just a railing, so it goes all the way across, and it can connect to the walls if you want. It does that. And that should go all the way up to the very front, like so. Alright, so now I'm going to make that circle, like half circle, semicircle for the gun. So let's go over here and go next to the brick stairs and then punch in 2. Go on the other one, punch in 2. Then we'll go diagonally, add in 2, diagonally, add 2. Other side, same thing, so 2 here, and then 2 here, and then it's going to be 4. Actually 5, I mean, like that, so that's going to be that circle. Then we are going to add in smooth quartz stairs to the side of that brick stairs. And then another one here. And then the other side, same thing. And then there's going to be a brick stairs facing outwards on the outer edge of this. Then this part here faces outwards as well. And then right over here, smooth quartz stairs facing outwards. And then brick stairs facing inside. And then smooth quartz stairs facing outwards. And then brick stairs facing inside. And then smooth quartz stairs facing inside. So it should look like that. Alright, so let's make this turret. We're going to add in another 2 stone slabs here. Upside down, stone stairs, stone slab. And then stone block, we'll make it 2 by 2 here. Stone block here, and then 3 daylight detectors. And then stone block, 2 blocks tall here, and then andesite wall. We'll also add an andesite wall right there to the side. Then I'm going to make a T shape of andesite walls right here. Make an L shape of light gray glass panes on the side like that. Alright, so next let's go in the front. The superstructure, we're going to add in stone stairs to the side of the stone. And add in a stone block on a diagonal. And we want to add in stone blocks on a diagonal all the way across until we meet up with the edge. That's going to take us a while, but we'll get there eventually. Just like that. And then we'll add in stone stairs in front of all these across. Like so. And then we'll add in gray concrete on the inside of this, just all the way across, filling in the floor. I'm going to use a world edit just to fill that in. Just like that. Alright, so it looks like this so far. Alright, so I think I'll leave the video right now. Just as it's going to be like part 1, and then part 2 we're going to finish off the rest of this thing. Because, you know, ship tutorials in general, I've done a lot of these before. It just takes so much time to do. I'll see you guys in part 2, so stick around. I think we can definitely finish it off in the second part. But yeah, if you guys do enjoy the video, remember to hit that like button down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks to MartatjeNL for actually designing this build. He was actually hovering here for a while when I was building it. But yeah, I'll see you guys in part 2.